the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video about the Alcatel TETRA, guys. So this is a new phone coming to Cricket Wireless. When it comes to Cricket Wireless, it'll be $80 when it's released on October 9th, I believe it is, the release date for the Alcatel TETRA for Cricket. This is a budget phone, guys, so don't expect miracles with this phone. The specs on this phone are not that great, so do keep that in mind. This is a budget phone. I like the fact that it does have the texture back to it there. So yeah, the specs on this phone, it has a 5-inch display. It's FWBJ resolution, 480 by 854 pixel resolution. That's about 196 ppi. It has a 5-megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash, 2-megapixel front-facing camera, quad-core MediaTek processor, 1.1 gigahertz quad-core, 2050 milliamp battery, so small battery. Has a micro SD card slot. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. It has dragon tail glass. It has autofocus, and it has 720p vids. It has 720p vids on the rear camera. It has time-lapse video, video calling, video sharing. The Alcatel TETRA weighs 5.29 ounces. It's a plastic build, you know. So it is what it is. Available in black. It has a MediaTek MT6739 processor. You can expand the storage up to 128 gig with a micro SD card slot. It has Android 8.1 Oreo. I thought this phone gets Pi. I doubt it. It has 7.50 hours of talk time. Standby time 9.2 days. It has LTE, of course. It has a nano SIM card. You know, it takes nano SIM cards. It has Bluetooth 4.1. It has 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi connectivity there. So you send the Wi-Fi connections there. It has mobile hotspot. It has micro USB 2.0 charging, so no Type-C on board. It has GPS and all that good stuff. It has you know, headphone jack and all that. For $80, man, I mean, the specs on this thing are not that great, but this is a budget phone, guys. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, trap phone, or first time phone for someone, this could be the phone to check out. Do not expect miracles on this phone, guys, because like I said, specs on it are not that great. There are some things I like about it. I like the fact that it has Android 8.1 Oreo, micro SD card slot, LTE, and it has a textured back to it. But other than that, the specs on it are not that great. The display sucks ass. It has micro USB 2.0 charging, so no Type-C on board, like I said. But other than that, no. This phone is just, I mean, this phone is meh. So this would be great for a backup phone, a trap phone, or for a first smartphone for someone. So yeah, there it is. It has Alcatel TETRA. It's coming out October 9th, I believe, for Cricket Wireless, and it's gonna be $80 when it's released for Cricket Wireless. When it's released for Cricket Wireless, October 9th. So stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.